How to customize the new shortcut in Windows. Here how to make the new menu work more effectively when creating new document and other files in Windows. Table of contents, right click on an empty area of the desktop and you have the power to create a new file, anything from a text document to the zip file via the new command that appears in the right click menu in Windows. The new command gives you the option to create a new files without having to launch their application first, but the menu for the new command can get crowded and cluttered and filled with applications and other entries you might never use. How can you customize this menu? A free software utility can help you add or remove items from the new menu without much fuss. 1. Explore the new menu. Let's first look at the new menu in Windows. In any version of Windows, right click on an empty area of the desktop or any folder in File Explorer or Windows Explorer. From the pop-up menu, move your mouse to the new command and you shall probably see an array of items fly out, including a bitmap image, a contact, a rich text document, a text document, a compressed folder, and if you have installed applications such as Microsoft Office, you shall see option to create a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation. Second, customize the new menu. Creating a file on the fly this way is extremely handy and helpful, but if the menu gets jam packed as you install more software, it becomes too unwidely. The trick is to customize the next menu to contain only those applications and entries you use on a regular basis. Windows offers no built-in command for tweaking the new menu. You can personalize it by editing the registry, but that's a time-consuming process. Instead, it's far easier to tweak the menu via a free open-source third-party utility called Shell New Handler. Through this tool, you can include or exclude whichever item you want in the new menu. Shell New Handler has been around for a number of years, but it's still as effective as ever and can do its job in any version of Windows, including Windows 10. You can download Shell New Handler.exe from the source for website. No need to install the software. Just run it from its exe file. After downloading, double-click the Shell New Handler.exe file. The program opens, displaying all of the applications and other entries on your PC that are currently supported by the next menu. Select apps. Click off the check mark next to the application and other entries that you don't wish to see in the next menu. When done, click the OK button. 4. More streamlined menu. Now right click on any empty area of the desktop or in any folder in File Explorer or Windows Explorer. Move your mouse to the new command and you should see a more streamlined menu with just the applications and entries that you want. About Lance Whitney, contributor. I have been working from PC Mag since early 2016, writing tutorials, how to pieces and other articles on consumer technology beyond PC Mag. I have written news, stories and tutorials for a variety of other websites and publications.